So hello everyone, welcome to ERPTAP. Guys, in today's lecture, we'll be discussing the recently released World Malaria Report. And we'll be discussing that who has released the report as well as the key findings of the report that you need to understand for your examination. But before that, guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this important guidebooks that we have prepared for you. So it contains all the information that the students generally keep on searching. ठीक है, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा time students का लगता है. It consists information like about the organization. So if I have the guidebook of RBI, it consists the information like to know about the roles of RBI, the hierarchical structure or the promotional structure in RBI, as well as after that in the second chapter we have discussed about the examination pattern, the eligibility criteria, as well as the previous year cutoffs of both phase 1 and phase 2, and along with that, guys, we have given you a proper syllabus for the QRE as well as the GS section which has not been defined in the notification. तो हमने पूरा syllabus decode किया, वो भी आपको यहाँ पे हमने दिया है. Along with that, guys, we have provided you the resource list for phase 1, phase 2 and even for the interview stage. And at the last, guys, we are providing you the 6-step domination formula, which means a strategy that you guys can follow to clear the examination. The guidebook is not available just for RBI, it is available for the NABARD as well as for the SEBI aspirants also. And what you need to do for that, there is a link given below in the description below of this video. Click on that link and this guidebooks will be yours, and do let me know about the feedback on the same. So let's talk about the first question. Is very easy question. Who has released the World Malaria Report? The answer for that is World Health Organization. The World Health Organization has recently released the World Malaria Report for the year 2022, which is an annual report. So if somebody asks you whether it is an annual or biannual report, it is an annual report that has been released by World Health Organization. And this year, this report is basically organized on 4 themes. It is not a theme of a report. The structure of the report, if I talk about, the perspective of the report has been organized on 4 themes, that is response, risks, resilience and research. The response that they have done, risk, how much risk is the malaria is getting to, resilience कितनी उसकी, और क्या हमारा, what is the research work that WHO is doing for curbing the malaria. This is a basic broad form, basic we can say 4 themes on which this report has been organized. Now the second question is the data specific question, because if I talk about World Malaria Report, guys, the important thing that we need to remember is here are some defects. कितने malaria cases हुए हैं, कितनी deaths हुई हैं. These are kind of facts you need to remember. So the first thing is, according to World Malaria Report, the deaths from malaria has came down to how much? From 6,25,000 in 2020. So you tell me number of malaria cases that have been reported as per this report, and the answer for that is option number A, 6,19,000. So if I talk about this figure, guys, 5,68,000. 5,68,000 was the figure in 2019. The report has specified that yes, the number of cases in malaria has declined. If I talk about after the post-pandemic level, that is after the COVID, number of malaria cases has declined. But if we compare it to pre-COVID times, that is in the 2019, still the number of cases are very very high if we compare it in the past 2 years. That is 2020 और 21 में जो cases हैं आपके फिर भी ज्यादा हैं as compared to 2019. Next is, guys, consider the following statements with respect to this report. 247 million cases in 2021 as compared to 245 million. तो अगर मैं बात करूं डेथ के टर्म में, आई थिंक यहाँ पे टर्म मिस हो गया, डेथ. So death cases, if I talk about 247 million death cases have been reported in the year 2021 as compared to 245 million in 2020. India has recorded an increase in number of deaths, and the WHO Global Technical Strategy for Malaria, that is the technical malaria strategy for 2016 to 30, it has said that the case of malaria or the mortality rate from malaria will be reduced by at least 75% by the year 2025 as per this WHO Global Technical Strategy. So you have to tell me which statement given here is incorrect. तो ये चीज याद रखो हमेशा. What the examiner is asking us, because many of times it generally used to happen, we go in a flow that it will be asking a correct statement, but the examiner, what it twist is, examiner हमसे incorrect statement पूछता है correct की जगह, और हम the answer that we know, which should be 100% correct, we mark it as a wrong. So be very very alert on these kind of things like correct and incorrect. So the answer here is option number C. Only second statement here is incorrect because India has not recorded an increase. India has recorded a decline in the number of malaria cases if we compare it to previous year. So deaths from malaria, as I've discussed, has came down to, if I talk about the upward trend, ठीक है जी, अगर मैं नॉर्मल जनरल मलेरिया केसेस की बात करूं जो आए हैं, उन्होंने बोला there is an upward trend that has been seen in the number of malaria cases, that is 247 million malaria cases have been reported this year as compared to 245 million cases. तो जो पॉइंट मैं आपको यहाँ पे बोल रहा था, यहाँ पे डेथ रेट नहीं, यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ मलेरिया केसेस की यहाँ पे बात की गई है in terms of year. Then guys, if I talk about the top 5 states or top 5 countries where we have seen a decline in death, these are the top 5 countries like Democratic Republic of Congo, Ghana, India, Niger, and the Tanzania, United Republic of Tanzania. So these are the countries which have shown a decline, who are among the 11 high burdened countries, among the 11 high burdened malarian countries. So if an examiner asks you whether India is a part of high burdened malarial country in the world, answer to that will be yes. It also says that these countries continue to contribute heavily towards the global disease. It means that yes, India has shown a decline, but it does not mean that India is not contributing towards the malaria cases. India is still contributing and we need to work on that. Okay, ji? If I talk about the maximum number of malaria cases, so yes, it's right. African region has seen the maximum number of malaria cases as well as death. If I talk about, it has seen about, it is home to about 95% of all the malaria cases, and 96% of the death from malaria is reported in the African region. And if I talk about in this region, the most important thing that have been highlighted in this report is, guys, it says children under 5 years of age account for almost 80% of all the deaths that have been reported in the African region. So remember one thing, guys, if I talk about this point is not talking about world, this point is specifically talking about the African region where the number of malaria cases is maximum in the world. And if I talk about the 4 African countries that have been highlighted in the report, which accounts for over half of all the malaria deaths in the world, is Nigeria, Congo, Tanzania and Niger. So Nigeria and Niger both are here. तो हमने अभी जो डिस्कस किया था कि यहाँ पे देखिए Niger, Tanzania, Congo. See here, Congo, Tanzania and Niger. They are again among the जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा डेथ्स होते हैं, बट वहां पे अभी भी उन्होंने बोला है the decline trend has been witnessed in this year's report. Then if I talk about the WHO global technical strategy which is being formed so that they could curb the malaria things, the report says the target is to reduce mortality rate by at least 40% by the year 2020, which has not been completed, I think, yet. Then is at least 75% by 2025 and at least 90% by 2030 as compared to with the 2015 as a baseline. So this is the thing that has been highlighted in this report. So I hope, guys, you have liked this report. You have liked this thing. So if you have liked the video, kindly share the video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To get the access to the PDF of this lecture, guys, kindly subscribe to our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Still, if you guys have any kind of doubt or any topic you want to discuss with you guys, do not hesitate. Drop me an email at hello@erptab.co.in and I will be really happy to bring a video on that specific topic. Do not hesitate. कोई भी topic आपको लग रहा है कि sir we want to discuss a topic, please bring us a topic. Do not hesitate. We will try our best to bring a video on that specific topic for you guys. ठीक है जी? And then if you want to have a call with us, you can have a call with us on the number that is 81462 07241. I hope, guys, the lecture is fruitful for you. So keep working hard. Wishing you all the best for examination. Bye bye.